how to delete Facebook account permanently. So let's get started. Firstly, launch the Facebook app on a device and log into your account. Once logged in, tap on the three horizontal lines menu icon in the bottom right corner of your screen and simply go to the menu. Once there, scroll down and tap on Settings and Privacy. Then select Settings. Now all you have to do is simply tap on the Account Center option available on the top. After you tap on the Account Center, simply tap on the Personal Details option available there. After you tap on the Personal Details, you'll be navigated to the personal information of your Facebook. From there, tap on the Identify Ownership option available at the bottom. After you tap on it, you'll be navigated to the page of deactivation or deletion. Simply tap on it and continue. Then tap on your profile for confirmation. Now tap on the delete account from there and continue again. After that, all you have to do is choose an option from the list available here and continue again. Simply continue with the process. Now make sure you have backed up all information of your Facebook. After that, continue with the deletion by tapping in the continue option available at the bottom. Now all you have to do is enter your Facebook password and your account will be permanently deleted. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.